And so now I request Dr. Bhairab Mondal, and I please request my judges, no more questions. We need 3 more speakers to finish. Please come, sir.
Slide. So good morning everyone, and from behalf of Shankaranarayana Life Science and my side, I want to like to thank organizing committee and member in dais, all audience as well as the panelists. So we are basically, I'll first before going to my presentation, before I'll give little intro about our company. Our company basically working in developing of molecular diagnostic as well as biosensor and paper-based devices for healthcare and for healthcare, human healthcare as well as animal healthcare. But today I have chosen the topic in the best of the future trends in genomics for the sustainable agriculture, exploring the transformation role of genomics, achieving sustainable agriculture practices. So, so before going, India is the largest agriculture producers, and India is suffering for various issues like climate change due to drought, due to the no rain, and the nutrition quality in the soils and everything they are suffering. But based on that, so which way genomics can be useful to improve the agriculture, and how which way can be improve the production of the crops, as well as what is the resistance of the pathogens to the crops, and nutrition availability to the cost, and changing the mechanism. Based on that, I'll give the presentation on this. So introduction to genomics and agriculture. So crop improvement. So our genomics can be integrated to the crop improvement by deleting or inserting some gene or gene of interest. Then disease resistant, planter facing the various disease time to time and various other problems. So we can insert disease resistant. Sustainable initiative, we can make that plant more sustainable for the crops and the productions. And we can food security if it is improving the qualities of this plant, and we are giving that every potential which is required for the plant growth in the harsh and drought and harsh condition to improve the productions. So environmental adaptation, so plant can be adapted in various environment. So this can be integrated by inserting some gene or gene of interest, which can help the plant to adapt the various environment. So what is the things, where we integrate the genomic? So where can from optimize the from the pathogens, so whenever a plant is growing, for giving the sustainable food nutrients to generate, as well as to change their adaptations, change their nutrition qualities, change their heat tolerance, stress tolerance. Everywhere we can integrate the genomics for the better improvement and crop quality and production of the production of the crop. So there is the current approach which is available with this now in using in worldwide as well as India. Those are genome editing, plant breeding, next genome sequencing, ribonucleic acid sequencing, cluster regulation, inspection, sort seeing, and there are tailless technology, ODM, and machine learning, which is integrating for this, integrating for that crop improvement as well as the integration of the genomics. These still are using. So I'll go by one. So genome selection, what is this in here? What is the old method they are using for the breeding? So one breeding for the one improved crops can be bred with stress or disease crop to improve its quality. Those the same practice is going on throughout a long time in India. So this another what is the improved method is available. This is CRISPR-Cas based technology, where we can insert and delete any gene of interest to a plant, and then we can transform into a agrobacterium mediated or shotgun sequencing to a disease plant for their improvement of production, improvement of disease resistance, improvement of stress tolerance, and improvement of other activities. So next, CFI mediated plant genome, that is also exogenome. This is a big nucleotide can be carted and inserted to a plant, and that can be help in the improve the productions and other thing, production as the stress release, as well as give the plant to resistant to any environment or the insect or any toxins. So synthetic biology is widely using to insert some particular gene of interest to plant. so which can be used the plant, which can help the plant to adapt to the any climate change in stress conditions, as well as salinity, as well as any other environments which will help the plant to grow and adapt to the environment. So future genomics, what is the India has kept that, what is the future genomics, what is can India can achieve in this. So India is working on sustainable and rapid productions and gene-driven therapies, means gene integration therapies, and epigenetic modification and microbiome engineering to adopt that plant in various environment. So what is the case study, the successful, what is happened in India, that I am giving some example. Dot tolerance maize in Africa, what it is there in Asia also having disease resistant wheat, that is also already having the crop embedded genomic integrated. These are all already available in, is used in this. So another is biofertilized in South Africa, pest-resistant cotton in India, BT cottons, that is also already available. So what is the challenges in the genomics and the plant? The challenges are ethical concerns. So because addressing various ethical issues can come, that has to be addressed. High cost, whenever you are going genome-wise, any improvement, the cost involved is various higher cost. So that has to be taken care, that should be addressed. And knowledge gaps, various knowledge gaps between the research laboratory scientists, as well as where already it is implicating in the agriculture, pharma and other places. That gas has to be breached and to take it the lab to pharma level or the field level for the genome editing technologies. So stakeholder inside respective, where they have to come together, what is researcher has to come together, then farmers, policymaker and investors together, we can implement everything together. So can be improve the crops and other things can be implemented to genome edited to increase the production, as well as to improve the production of the crops. So these are the conclusions of the future genomics, that is enhancing crop yields and climate reliance. Due to the climate resistancy, every time crops has to be improved, that has to be integrated with the each crop to improve the productions. Sustainable pest management, we have to integrate some gene which can plant itself the manage the plant pest and can be sustained in a very harsh condition. Resource efficiency, that resource has to be available for the farmer and the research, as well as investor ways that which can implement in the field trials and other ways. And biodiversity preparation, the crops has to be divided by diverse in the various way based on the region, so that can be implemented in various way. So I'd like to, time is very short, so I'd like to complete here only. So thank you everyone. If you have any quick question, you can ask me.